Hi, keeping it real here. Just wanted to talk about tire pressures on a gravel bike. I'm using the Mavic Allroad Pro UST wheel set with the Yixium tires, 30C, and I haven't really experimented with tire pressures at all, but just been keeping it around 50 each. And today I've got it down at 55 at the front and 60 at the back. And the result is that it has been brilliant. It has been super fast on tarmac. And so I gave it a bit of a test on some local farm yard tracks or whatever. There you go. This is what it looks like. It was dry, so the weather's dry at this bit here. And, you know, it was just a normal field, nothing special about it, but it's the best I've got around where I live, and it was superb. It was just superb. I rode down a downhill at 22 miles, and if the tires held firm, you know, no braking, nothing, just held firm. This bit here is quite wet, and I've just ridden up it. So yeah, I mean, the tires did well. The tire pressure seems to be good. On tarmac, I can do normal speeds like 15 miles an hour or whatever, up to 34 I think it was on this ride. And on this kind of place I was going up to about 9 miles on normal, 9 to 10 miles an hour. But yeah, superb. And then I've just given it a further test after I recorded this bit, where I went into this grassy bit that I didn't even know existed, and I've just ridden in this, and no slippy. I was quite surprised actually, because this is actually quite wet. This is quite boggy, if nothing wet, and it held. The tires didn't slip around. I didn't feel like I was going to fall off or anything. And so these are the results of my uneducated test. I didn't drive this through that muddy bit there though. Anyway, yeah, hope you liked the video, and if you do, please feel free to comment and leave a like or subscribe. Thank you.